Guys, it is day 2 of us exploring the South Cumberland State Park. We are at the Savage Gulf area. It's a really big state park, so there's a bunch of different areas you can explore. So today is Savage Gulf, and I'm super excited because, again, there's just a bunch of cool random things to do. So we're just gonna go explore. Let's do it. Chilling at the little waterfall area. It's super fun. We've been swimming and jumping off this little rock. I got a bunch of cool pictures, so I'll put them up here so you can see them. But yeah, it's just been a really fun day. This place is such an awesome park. If I ever come back to this area, which I hope to, I'm definitely going to be checking this out because it is gorgeous here. The water isn't too cold today either, which is great. So it's been super refreshing and like kind of drizzly a little bit today too, so it's been really fun. We just finished up this trail. It was super beautiful. I'm so thankful that we found this awesome state park because it was amazing. Tonight is our last night in Tennessee, so I think we're just gonna head back and make some dinner and chill with Isaac and Brookie and just hang out and enjoy the Airbnb one last time. It'll be cool. So today is our last day in Tennessee. We are heading out in a little bit. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning right now. We're leaving a little early. It's a 9-hour drive back to Michigan, but we're gonna miss this cute little spot. Airbnb has been super awesome. I would link it below, but someone came by yesterday actually looking at it to buy. So they said it's on the market and she's gonna take it. So I don't think it'll be available anymore.